loves chocolates! Alam ko maraming sa inyong may gusto ng chocolate. So this is our low-carb, gluten-free choco mousse truffle cake. And this cake contains coffee liquor. Okay, so ang tip ko ngayon, ano ba ang coffee liquor at para saan yan? Ang coffee liquor is actually a combination of your favorite coffee and of course liquor or alcohol. But we cannot use any alcohol lang basta-basta. You can use rum or vodka because those are unsweetened and those are low-carb friendly. Okay, so meron tayong recipe niyan, no, sa ating low-carb book at sa ating mga other recipe books. Anyway, okay, so coffee liquor enhances the flavor of your chocolate-based cakes and pastries, no? So, lalong lumalabas yung pagiging chocolate ng ating chocolate pastries. And it brings out the richer flavor ng coffee, no? So, merong coffee aroma, chocolatey talaga siya. And also, the coffee liquor also not just enhances the flavor, it also adds moisture and mas tender yung crumbs ng ating baked pastries. And also, yung ating coffee liquor, no, talagang it gives also a good rise o pampaalsa. Would you believe that? No, dahil wala naman tayong mga ibang pampaalsa sa ating low-carb baking. So, gawa na kayo ng coffee liquor and we can also show you how. Alright? So, more smart bake tips with Coach J next time.